going to show you how to install the toilet bowl, okay? But before you put the toilet bowl, you need to use this type of we call the toilet seal. Before they use the wax, but this one is better. You don't need to use those wax anymore. And this one is dry. All you need to do is to put this piece over here, this rubber, and it's perfectly sealed. Okay, so you put this one first and this. So how are you gonna do it? Okay, put this one like this and put this one on this side, and then push this one all the way down so that's not gonna move. And this is another one. You put this one over here and put it on the other side, and it's ready. Push it down. Okay. And the next one is this one. So you're gonna put this thing down like this. I removed the spacer. Okay. I need to take this off because this is too high. So I take it off the other piece because this one was here. Okay. No. Okay. Silicone. Okay, rag. I need a rag. So you need to use this 100% silicone. Well, this one is fine. So you need to seal this